Can a company really pay a tax rate of just 0.005%? It sounds impossible, but for years, Apple did exactly that in Ireland. However, the party is officially over. After a decade-long legal battle, the EU's highest court has ordered Apple to pay 13 billion euros. That's over $14 billion in back taxes to Ireland. The story began in 2016 when the European Commission dropped a bombshell. They ruled that Ireland had provided Apple with illegal state aid. Under special tax rulings from 1991 and 2007, Apple's effective corporate tax rate plummeted from 1% in 2003 to a staggering 0.005% by 2014. The EU argued this was fundamentally unfair, a special deal that no other company could get. Apple and Ireland fought back fiercely. Apple claimed they followed the law and received no special treatment, arguing that their profits were generated in the US and should be taxed there. Ireland, interestingly, also fought against receiving the money, claiming the EU was infringing on its national tax sovereignty. The legal roller coaster was intense. In 2016, the EU ordered the recovery. In 2020, Apple actually won a round of the General Court. But finally, in September 2024, the European Court of Justice, the EU's highest court, delivered the final blow, ruling in favor of the Commission. The 13 billion euros must be paid. The mechanism. How did they do it? How does a company reach a 0.005% tax rate? It was a sophisticated strategy, often called the double Irish. Apple set up two Irish subsidiaries. The key was Apple Sales International, ASI. Through a tax ruling with Ireland, Apple allocated the vast majority of its profits to a head office within ASI. But here's the catch. This head office existed only on paper. It had no employees and no physical location. Because of a loophole, this head office was considered stateless for tax purposes, meaning it paid taxes nowhere. The impact? This ruling is a massive wake-up call. It sets a powerful precedent that the EU can and will crack down on aggressive tax avoidance by big tech. It also signals the end of an era where EU member states could offer sweetheart deals to attract global giants. In the world of international business, taxes are no longer just about accounting. They're about high-stakes legal strategy and geopolitical tension. The Apple case proves that even the most complex structures can be dismantled when they cross the line of fair competition. If you want to know more information, email me at yokyungjin@gmail.com.